Good evening, I'm Steve Hensley. Two mothers whose daughters were two of the 18 students injured in a bus crash in Magoffin County last month are now suing the school district and the bus driver. In a lawsuit filed yesterday, the two say the school system failed to provide and enforce adequate safety policies. The suit claims that because of the, quote, negligence, gross negligence, and reckless disregard of the bus driver and district, the two girls represented in the case have suffered serious bodily injuries and mental anguish. Chad Hedrick has more.
More than a month after this school bus toppled off the side of a Magoffin County road, the wounds are still very much there for the 18 children who were on board.
It's going to take a long time to know, the extent of their injuries and, which injuries they're going to recover from and which injuries are going to be permanent.
Many students who were on this bus on November 14th spent several days in the hospital with serious injuries. Billy Johnson is a personal injury attorney in Pikeville. He's representing two families who filed this lawsuit Wednesday against Magoffin County Schools and the bus driver, claiming negligence.
I want to get to the bottom of this. I want to find out what happened. I want to take care of these kids. I want all these kids taken care of. But I'd like to I want a message sent. This is not going to be tolerated in Eastern Kentucky. Our community will not allow this.
Johnson says their case will claim reckless driving by the bus driver caused the bus to go over the embankment. The suit also accuses the district of being negligent in supervision and is also liable.
There should be training, there should be supervision and monitoring of these drivers to the point that communities do not have to worry about their children getting on the bus to go to school.
No dates for the hearings have been set as the lawsuit was just filed and the district has time to file a response. Johnson says he does expect more families and attorneys to join the suit, which could take more than a year to resolve, either through litigation or a jury trial.
That was Chad Hedrick reporting. A statement from the school district says they properly train, monitor, test, and oversee all its employees, including bus drivers. The district's attorney says, quote, this bus crash was a devastating accident and was an extremely unfortunate event that was beyond the control of the Magoffin County School Board. The superintendent and Board of Education have always and will always look after the safety, the education, and the well-being of our students, and we deeply regret that this tragic accident occurred. Just before classes went on winter break, 5 of the 18 students had returned to in-person classes. The students still at home are getting homebound instruction from district staff.